How to bold text in Facebook post in mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there is no way to write in bold in a Facebook post from the mobile app itself. For example, if I wanted to write this post right here, it will be in the normal font and the normal text. However, there's an easy workaround that you can use. It goes like this. You need to copy the post that you have written and then open up any browser you have and search for bold text generator. As you can see, there's a lot of results right here, but they basically all do the same job and work the same way. So choose any one of them, it doesn't matter. I'm going to choose this random one, and what you need to do here, you need to paste the post that you have copied, and as you can see, the website will generate a lot of different bold text right here that you can choose from. So pick and choose whichever one you like. I'm going, for example, to choose this random one because I like it more than the others. You need to copy it and then you need to go back to the post and paste it instead. As you can see, the text now has been pasted and the post now is written in bold text. Then you can continue to edit your post as you usually do, so you can post it later. You can tag friends and add stuff like that. So that was it for this video. That's how you can type in bold in Facebook posts on your phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.